If you're a health enthusiast, you need to hear this. Here's why an audiometry test is essential. First up, diagnosing hearing loss. Audiometry tests can detect if your hearing ranges from mild to profound. Next, they help in developing treatment plans. Whether it's hearing aids or cochlear implants, the test results guide your audiologist. Third, these tests monitor your hearing health over time. Regular checkups mean timely adjustments to your treatment. Fourth, audiometry tests can detect other health issues. Sometimes, hearing loss points to ear infections, tumors, or even neurological conditions. Finally, they assess the impact on communication. Knowing the extent of your hearing loss helps improve daily interactions and quality of life. So there you have it. Please give us a call or visit our clinic for further discussion and details. Our contact number is 0313-218-4092. 5 solid reasons to get an audiometry test now and keep your ears in tip-top shape. Happy hearing!